This hot sauce is inspired by the stuff that they serve at my favorite taco restaurant in Atlantic City called Pancho. To start, you'll need a lot of chili peppers. If you're a gardener, this is a great way to use up a bumper crop. I use either jalapenos or serrano chilies, but this recipe works with pretty much any pepper. It's really good with habaneros. Now, I like to take the seeds and the ribs out of the chilies because I think it's plenty spicy this way, but you can leave them in. You do you. Oh, and you should also know to wear gloves when you do this. My fingers were on fire for hours after I shot this video, okay? Anyway, add the peppers, some raw garlic, plenty of salt, a little white vinegar and water to a blender, and then buzz it up until it's super, super smooth. From here, you have a couple options. You can serve it just like this, as is, if you want. You can ferment it by letting it sit on the counter for a few days, which will add some really nice kind of funky flavor. Or you can cook it down in a saucepan for a few minutes like I'm doing here, which will help get rid of some of the harsher raw flavors. Oh my God, I can't talk right now. And let everything melt together. So yeah, that's it. This will keep in the fridge for a few months. Put it in a mason jar or a squeeze bottle and then put it on everything.